How to change crosshair color in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. Basically, this is the place where you can find different options and customize. Here on the top, simply tap on Crosshair. So here, there's a section of Crosshair color. Here, you can customize it accordingly. So you can simply tap on it in order to change it. And here on the top, you can even see different changes that are happening. So here, there's a stroke color too. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize your gameplay. At last, you can go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.